Hi guys, welcome to Adarsh Tech World. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Galaxy M21. So this is a 4G phone and it has a Super AMOLED display, 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, 6000 mAh battery, 15-watt in-box charger, and a 48MP triple camera. So let's get into it. Okay, it doesn't slide like Apple boxes, but okay. So here's the phone, guys. So I'm just gonna take it out. And this is the phone. It has a label in it. I'm gonna remove that. And there's a little secret compartment inside. Okay. We are gonna see this compartment. And we are gonna take out the charger. So this charger is 15 watt fast charger actually. This is found in the Note 8. So this found in the Note 8. It is also found in the Note 9, but then they changed it to 25 watt charger. And here's the cable. It's pretty short. It's not even my hand, but that's okay. This is the charger, and we'll keep the box aside. And let's see this. So inside, we don't get a case actually. This I bought from Amazon. I just opened it with this. So don't expect a case in the box. And we also get the quick start guide, the regional lock guide, and the warranty card. Let's keep all of this. Oh, I forgot. We also get a SIM ejector pin. I think you can see it. Now let's keep all of this stuff onto the side. Let's put the case on, and we'll keep the charger aside. We'll show you the speed. And this is the phone. Okay, so this phone has a 48 megapixel triple camera. As you can see, there's one camera. This is the depth sensing camera, which is used for live focus. This is used for ultra wide shots, and this is used for the like your usual photos that are this is a wide camera. This is a 48 megapixel wide camera. This is made by Samsung. So okay, this is the 48MP camera, and this is the wide angle camera. So I mistaken them both. And this is the fingerprint sensor. Here we have the volume button. This goes up and here it goes down. And this is the power on off button. And I'll just remove the case to show you this. Okay, so here as you can see, there is a this is the SIM slot. This is the SIM tray. So I'll just take out the SIM ejector and show you. Just gonna pull it out. Okay, it didn't land. Okay, it did. Now so I do have a SIM inside. This is the Vodafone SIM, and this is a triple card slot. So as you can see, this is a triple card slot. There's a SD card and one SIM 1 and SIM 2. So let me put this inside, and we'll turn on the phone. Keep this and let's turn it on. Okay, as you can see, it turned on and it's showing the Galaxy M21 logo. and is powered by Android. And actually I have installed the One UI 3.0 in it, which is the newest version. It has Android 11 now in the Galaxy M21, which is very awesome. And just put it inside this case, and I'm gonna wait for it to boot. Okay, it is booting. It's showing the Samsung logo. And to show you that it is actually a 15-watt charger, as you can see here, it shows 9 watt and 2 amp. So that means it's a 15-watt charger. And here it does show adaptive charging and some matte chargers instead of the glossy charger found with the Note 8. And this cable is approximately less than 1 meter. And the phone has booted up. So as you can see, the phone has booted up and is showing the time and everything. But now it is more centered than off center in the One UI 2 and One UI 1. So here, as you can see, it's in the center with the little lock icon. Usually it should be like here, but it's now like here. And the font has changed a bit. It became more nicer now. I can just swipe to unlock and use my pin. And the phone is starting. I have already set this up, guys, so I want to say that. And let's boot it up, and here's the screen. So as you can see, this is a 6.4-inch screen, and it has a small teardrop type notch. It's called the Infinity U display, not the O. It doesn't have a punch hole like the M51 and the A51 and the A71. And it's pretty fluid. It doesn't have any lag because I have not installed many apps. Just install WhatsApp, Facebook, Prime Video, Hotstar, and YouTube. That's it. Not much. And my career thing, the app, and Google Pay and etc. That's all I have in this phone, and it's pretty good. It's very responsive. I should say, I thought it'd be very laggy but the one thing I like about this is the screen. The screen is just fantastic. It looks superb. So I'll just show you my video right here. Now search Adarsh Tech World. Yeah, and I've turned it on. And here is my page, and make sure to hit this little button so that you can get notified for the next videos. And okay, I forgot to show the video. Okay, I'll show my latest video right now. Okay, so I'm gonna increase the sound. 1 minute, please. I'll just SD card adapter that is found on Amazon. So I just bought it from Amazon, and it is a very good SD card adapter. So for its price, it offers you two SD card ports, but you cannot put them in a single manner. I think a single moment. You have to put it in 2 times. This is the max volume. You can only use one of them at the same time. So it also has this gold-plated, shiny little USB-C port. So it does make it look more nicer, and it also has like this metallic finish also. And here we have some plug. And that is the now that is the display quality and everything. And it was in almost 30% brightness, so it is pretty good. And now in One UI 3, actually the notification shade has changed a lot, and it has that new time font I said you, and it has this little translucency effect, which is found on Oppo phones and some MIUI phones. So it is kind of inspired from that, but it's a very it's a lot more fluid than last time. I like this design. And And in settings, um, the new settings menu is very good, I should say. It has these bold little icons, Wi-Fi, sound, notifications, display, etc. So these are very nice. Okay, so now we are gonna talk about the camera. So One UI 3.0 has been good. Now we are gonna see about the camera. So I'm gonna take some shots. So here I have a box, guys. So I'm just gonna take some photos. As you can see, I'm just gonna take a small photo. And now I'm gonna take a wide angle photo. And let's do a 2x zoom. Okay, so I took the photos. Now we are gonna take. Now we are gonna take a little bit of. We are gonna show you the camera samples right now. So here you go.
For watching for our video, please subscribe and press the bell and the like
Icon and click the all button so you get all the notifications. And bye bye.